how to schedule call on WhatsApp. Watch this video till the end. To start with, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then navigate to the Calls tab at the bottom of the screen. Now click on the green phone icon at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Schedule Call. After that, fill in the call details. Firstly, add a title, then add a short description and pick the start time and hit OK. Then select the ending time. Also choose whether it to be a video call or a voice call. Once everything is set, hit the send icon to confirm your schedule and select the person you want to schedule the call with. Finally, hit the send button. And there you go. This is how to schedule call on WhatsApp.